Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Students, let's start our today's session. Today we will learn about flowers. Students, see. Let's read the name of flowers. Sunflower, jasmine, rose, lily, lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Pond, marigold, hibiscus. Students, everybody like flowers. There are many type of flowers. We use flowers for worship. We use flowers for the decoration of our houses. Do you like flowers?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Everybody like flowers. Which flower do you like most?
Rose.
Rose. I like rose flower. Every flower has small petals. Some flower give us edible oil like sunflower. Students, let's do an activity. Take some pictures of flowers. Then paste on chart paper. Okay? Then cut each picture into 3 pieces. Take help of your parents for cutting the flowers. Then try to solve the puzzle. Okay? Students, open your workbook, page number 32. Let us read the words H-E, he. Trace and write. Use lead pencil. M-E, me. W-E-V. Okay. Now open your book I Can Achiever level 4. Open page number 25. Read the name of flowers and circle the name of given flower. Let us read one by one. L-I-L-Y, lily. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. R-O-S-E, rose. Circle the rose. Now, second flower. Which is the second flower? Name sunflower. Okay. D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Circle the sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Circle the hibiscus. R-O-S-E, rose. D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, gold, marigold. Circle the marigold. Students, cut out the petals of the flower on page. Let us do an activity. Match the petals with the flower. Okay. Firstly, see the petals. then match it with flower. Students, let's do an activity. Students, let's do an activity. In this activity, we will revise the concept of counting. You can take pulses, nuts, your toys. Keep like this. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4. Yes. 4 after 5. 'Students, you can count up to any number. Okay? You can take the other pulses also. Let us count. What is this? Count. Count the numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. These are 10. Students, you can write any letter also like this. Practice the letters by writing. Okay? Yes, tell me which letter is this? L. L. Yes. Good. You can make number with the help of pulses like. Which number is this? Okay? Yes. Which number is this? 10. 10. T-E-N. 10. 1, 0, 10. Students, count the pulses. Count in any number. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? You can count any number. Count your toys. Okay? Tell to your mother, Mama, I have 10 toys. I have 11 toys. Okay? After doing this activity, keep your things on proper place. Okay? Good. Students, open your book, page number 26. Let us trace the number 41 to 50. 41, speak and write. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Firstly trace, then write. Write neatly, touch bottom line. Okay? Let us read the rhyme. We are seeds. Now we are seeds. Now we are seeds. So small. So small. Then we are big trees. Then we are big trees. See how tall. See how tall. Bend your body. Bend your body. Touch your toes. touch your toes. Stand up straight, stand up straight, and lift your nose. And lift your nose. Sideways bending, arms so wide, bending low from side to side. Students, revise this rhyme, okay? After doing this activity, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in your today's session. Okay, today you have learned about flowers. Flowers give us edible oil. We use flowers for worship. You have learned the counting concept. You can count your toys, your things. You can count your fruits, vegetables at home. Tell to your parents about this. Okay, students, after doing your work, throw your waste things in dustbin. Keep your books and notebooks on proper place. Help your parents in cleaning the house. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay? Do not go outside. Play inside. Do not use mobile for playing games. Read your books. Do your homework on time. Okay? Students, play with your friends and practice the rhymes you have learned in your previous session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.